For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a remote business today has never been easier, especially with the help of artificial intelligence, AI. AI can streamline your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and help you make data-driven decisions. Whether you want to launch a service-based agency, an online store, or a content business, this guide will walk you through how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Choose the right remote business model. Decide what type of business you want to run. It should match your skills, interests, and what the market needs. Freelance services, e.g. writing, design, programming. E-commerce or dropshipping store. Online coaching or consulting. Affiliate marketing or influencer brand. Social media, marketing agency. Subscription product or service business. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas tailored to your background. You can also use keyword research tools with AI features, like Ubersuggest or Surfer SEO, to explore what people are searching for. Step 2. Conduct market research with AI. Once you pick a business model, validate it through market research. This helps ensure there is demand and reveals who your competitors are. Use ChatGPT to create detailed customer personas. Analyze competitors using tools like Jasper or Copy.ai. Conduct AI analyze surveys with Typeform or Pollfish. Use SEMrush or SimilarWeb for industry trends and competitor traffic data. Step 3. Choose a business name and domain. Your business name should be simple, memorable, and available as a domain. Use AI name generators like Namelix or Loca. Check domain availability on GoDaddy or Namecheap. Use NameAct to ensure social media handles are available. Once chosen, register your domain and secure social media handles to maintain branding consistency. Step 4. Register your business legally. Choose a legal structure for your business based on liability and tax preferences. Sole proprietorship. Limited liability company, LLC. Corporation, C Corp or S Corp. Use AI-assisted services like LegalZoom, Zen Business, or Do Not Pay to help with registration paperwork and compliance. Step 5. Set up your remote business infrastructure. You'll need tools that support remote collaboration and operations. Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 for emails, documents, and storage. Slack or Microsoft Teams for communication. Zoom or Google Meet for meetings. Notion, Trello, or ClickUp for project management. These cloud-based tools are enhanced by AI features such as task suggestions, calendar optimization, and smart inbox filtering. Step 6. Build a website using AI. You don't need coding skills to build a professional website anymore. AI tools can create it for you in minutes. Use Wix ADI, Durable.co, or 10Web AI Builder for fast site creation. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to write landing page copy. Use Canva's Magic Write to design banners and graphics. Use Grammarly to edit and polish website content. Step 7. Automate your marketing with AI. Marketing is essential to attract and convert customers. AI can make this easier and more cost-effective. Use ChatGPT, Copy.ai, or Jasper to create blog posts, emails, and social content. Use Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule posts with AI-generated best posting times. Use Midjourney or Canva AI to create social graphics. Use MailChimp or Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, to automate email sequences. Step 8. Set up AI-powered customer service. Good customer service builds trust and retention. AI can help you stay responsive 24/7 without burning out. Use chatbots like Tidio, Intercom, or Drift for instant replies. Create a smart FAQ with ChatGPT or HelpDocs. Use Freshdesk or Zendesk with AI ticket routing and auto replies. Step 9. Accept payments and manage finances. Every remote business needs a way to get paid and track money. Use Stripe, Square, or PayPal for online payment processing. Use Wave, QuickBooks, or Zoho Books for bookkeeping. Use AI-based budgeting tools like Clio or Inab to analyze spending. Use ChatGPT to write financial SOPs or understand tax basics. Step 10. Delegate and automate with AI and freelancers. Running everything yourself will limit your growth. Delegate tasks and automate repetitive work. Use Fiverr or Upwork to hire freelance help for design, writing, or admin work. Use Zapier or Make Integromat to link apps and automate workflows. Use ChatGPT to create job descriptions, task lists, and SOPs. Use Bardeen.ai to automate tasks like saving leads, sending reminders, or copying data between apps. Step 11. Track performance with AI analytics. Measure what's working and optimize for growth. Use Google Analytics with AI insights to track traffic and user behavior. Use Hotjar or SmartLook to watch session replays and heat maps. Use AI dashboards like Plecto or Databox to summarize performance metrics. Use ChatGPT to interpret metrics and suggest improvements. Step 12. Keep learning and innovating with AI. AI is evolving rapidly, and so should you. Make it a habit to stay updated and test new tools. Subscribe to AI-focused newsletters like the Rundown AI or Ben's Bytes. Join online forums and communities, Reddit, Indie Hackers, Product Hunt. Use ChatGPT as a brainstorming and idea validation partner. Keep experimenting with new AI tools for content, finance, HR, and customer experience. Bonus tips for success. Start lean. Use free or freemium AI tools until revenue grows. Build a brand. Use Loca or Brandmark to generate logos and brand kits. Manage time zones. Use calendar AI tools like Reclaim.ai to optimize scheduling. Build a global team. Use Remote.com, Deal, or Oyster to legally hire international contractors. Stay focused. Use AI distraction blockers or productivity tools like Motion. Conclusion. AI has removed many traditional roadblocks to starting a business. You no longer need a big budget, a technical background, or a physical office. From idea generation and branding to customer service and marketing, AI acts as your co-founder, working tirelessly and intelligently behind the scenes. By following these steps and using AI tools wisely, you can start and scale a remote business that runs smoothly, grows sustainably, and operates from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and the drive to take the first step. Start now. Your AI-powered remote business is just one smart idea away. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.